YouTube channel for Kanak Infosystems LLP, your ultimate source for all ERP solutions. And today we will be talking about a custom Odoo add-on called Bank Charges developed at the House of Kanak. This module would allow you to have separate journal entry for the bank charges. So right now we'll activate it into our Odoo community database. Now as a first step, we'll head to invoicing, to the configuration, and in the configurations we'll select the sub-tab journals. Now we'll head to the bank and we'll add our bank details. As you can see, we have already filled it out, and we'll add the default bank charge account here. Once we have added the default bank charge account, we'll save it. And now we'll again go to configuration and to the chart of accounts. In here you can see bank charges, current assets. Now we'll head to that and we'll set up the bank charge percentage. Now we'll save it. Now in the customer invoices, I'll create a new invoice. I'll add in the customer details, the product details, and I'll save it. Now I'll confirm this and I'll register the payment for this. Now I'll go to accounting and journal entries. And as you can see, the bank charges for the invoice number 6 have been registered. This is it for this video. If you want to buy this app, you can head on to Odoo App Store or our website. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated.